Stop carrying your smartphone about if you know how to use it effectively. Now, over time, I've seen a lot of people come to our print shop to look for typists, people who will type their jobs. And I begin to wonder, is it that you people don't know that AI can actually help you do this typing without stress? Now, let me show you a hack you can use to get your jobs typed. All you need to do is to go to this cafe and tell them you want to print, or maybe have them arrange the work. That way, you'll not get to spend so much. Now, this particular hack I'm about to share with you has been helping us in our print shop. So, one of the things I do is to just go to my Google Chrome and I'm going to open ChatGPT. All right, so let's open ChatGPT. Now, when I come here to ChatGPT, the next thing I want to do is to come here to add photos. Okay, so I go to add photos and I'm going to look for the photo that I have screenshotted. Okay, so this is a job somebody brought to us today as I was making this video, and they wanted us to do the typing of this job. It was very simple something. Okay, so I just brought it out and I just click on it and I click on done, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please type this thing out. Please type this document as it is and do not change anything. Okay, I want it to be as the customer gave it to us. So I'm going to click on it and it will process it before doing the typing. Okay, you see now, so you see the work. So instead of me sitting down all day long trying to type a full book and all that, I just upload it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT does the typing and give it to me. So mine now is to just copy, edit, arrange it, and do the printing. So can you see that this particular hack is very, very important? So that is how it is. Now, sometimes I've also seen people do typing jobs on ChatGPT. Maybe they got some content on ChatGPT and they don't know that they can just copy this work now. Just come here, click on that copy icon you're seeing there. It will copy the entire work. Then you can now head over to maybe your WhatsApp or your MS Word document and paste it there. They don't know. So they will screenshot the whole work here on ChatGPT. They will keep screenshotting. When they're done screenshotting, they will send it to you that is in a cafe to do the typing again. And you're wondering, why can't you just copy this thing now? Go to your applications, look for Google Docs, like you're seeing here now. Go to Google Docs and you just come here and create a new Google Docs. Okay, so I'm going to say new Word file. And then I'm going to just come here and I'll paste whatever it is I want to be typed. So anything I do not want, all I do is to just select it and I delete it. Can you see? So most people don't know that this particular hack exists. So they will screenshot what they've gotten from ChatGPT and send it to you again that you should do the typing for them. So this particular thing you're seeing here now, mine is to just remove the content that I don't want. Okay, like you can see me doing now, removing all this bold. I can even from here select everything, find a way to increase the size. Okay, so you can see I'm going to remove this now. You see justify, I can justify everything, right? And as also I can come here to this dot sign and I'm going to do print layout. So that way I see how the entire work looks like. Okay, so you see the color also, I can change my colors from here. Can you see? All right, so I come here to this A you're seeing here. I can change the font from the way it is now to either normal text or title or heading, whatever it is. And I can also change the font type from Arial to Comic to Times New Roman. And I can also increase the size from 11 to 14. Can you see? You can see now. And I make it to be justified. Right? See the line spacing. I can also increase the line spacing to maybe 2 and all that. So when I'm done, I just take it to the cafe if at all I am going to print this work. Okay, so I copy it and I just save my work here. How do you save? It's very, very simple. Okay, so I can just say share and export. And I'm going to say save as. I'm going to say save as, choose the format. You see Google Docs. You click OK. You need to save this file before converting. So save. I'm going to save it to my device. All right, so it's saved to my device now. That way I can, you see the name of the file now, which is education docs. I can save it to my downloads. It's saved. So I head over to my WhatsApp and I look for whoever I want to send it to. It's as easy as that. So I hope that this particular hack will help you. So let's say, for example, I want to send it to the computer person who is going to do the printing for us. I'm going to come here. I go to documents and I go to, you see documents here. I'm going to browse and I'll look for that particular file. It's in my downloads. So I click on it. I send it to the computer person and I say, please, madam, I sent you a job. Kindly print it for me. Do you see how simple it is? Now, thank me later when you use this particular hack to save yourself some money some other time. Bye for now.